Welcome one and all. We have perfect blue skies and quite a contest ahead of us. This really is a feel-good football match. This is Peter Drury and I'm happy to inform you that Jim Beglin has joined me to offer his expertise.
Thanks, Peter. It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here.
And this place is living up to its reputation as one of the noisiest corners of the footballing world. No decibels spared in this collective chorus. Well, as you can see, we've already started here. This is one of today's standout fixtures between teams who are meeting for the second time this season. Oh, and he's through the middle. Oh, he couldn't quite make it. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
And it's Gay. The referee's awarded a free kick. When you think great defenders, you've got to think Cannavaro.
Yeah, well, they don't come much better or bigger in stature. His qualities are obvious, but his winning mentality and cool temperament are all part of a first-class package.
It's everything you want. Now it's Luis Suarez. Alcaraz. Gay.
Well, it seems as if the message has been issued by both managers: don't concede the opener.
Now it's Luis Suarez. Mikolenko makes the interception. And here's Van Basten. Beto. Van Basten. And he's cleared it out of harm's way. Well, it just petered out. No penetration at all, having had a great deal of the ball. And here's Vinicius Junior. There's the shot! Oh, the ball's run. Oh, he's been caught napping. Garner. And it's Gay. Now Harrison. He's got away. Idrissa Gay. Ndiaye! And he was there to get a vital touch.
There's a certain aura about him today. Tremendous.
Garner goes short. Shapes to shoot! Oh, that was extravagant by any standard.
Beto really improvised cleverly there. His quick thinking almost paid off in real style.
Oh, that's a key interception. Now here's a man adored by many, even deified by some. Messi, decent hit! Goal!
Well, that's very much changed the complexion. It's also changed mindsets and moods in both teams, and it had to be him.
A truly super goal. What a spiky hit that was.
That is simply tremendous. I mean, how easy would it have been to get across it or overhit it? Perfection.
Leicester have their opener. It is a goal of real significance.
Oh, look, this is just what the fans wanted. And now that they're celebrating the opener, I think they'll want to see their team make all the running from here.
Chance here to counter. And we've reached half-time. And it's a half which has simmered along nicely, warming up to what may be a more open second half to follow.
I think on the whole the team linked up very well and has been organised, hence their position. They can afford to be a little braver with the ball, I think, something they'll be told many times, I'm sure, during the interval.
Leicester leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break.
Substitution on the field, number 12, Van Basten.
Here we go again.
Coming on the field is...
Well, it's been tight, Peter, but I'm expecting things to open up now and we get some free-flowing football.
He's got the shot away! That is decidedly lacking.
Do I really need to tell you, Peter, that he has to do better, especially from there?
Leicester come out this half somewhat altered.
I'll be fascinated to see how the change now affects their overall strategy.
Davids. And it's Messi. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. And Vinicius Junior! He's done very well to get to that.
Vinicius Junior actually didn't do an awful lot wrong, to be honest.
Leicester just about have their noses in front. It is the slenderest of leads.
The attendance for this match was 70,987.
Your impression so far, Jim?
Well, I'm inclined to feel that if I was in that dugout, I'd want the players to get on the front foot and grab another. Just try to make this one safe.
That's been intercepted.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Alcaraz. He's played him through.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
And that has been cleared.
That's what has to be done now, no question about it.
This is a really front-footed approach.
A lucky break would certainly help their cause now.
Davids. Leicester perhaps wondering what the best time is for their next substitution. Half an hour gone in the second half. Oh, nicely intercepted. Leicester leading then, courtesy of the goal scored late in the first half here. 1-0 the score.
You can never be short of runners into space, as long as the space left behind is filled. Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
And that's really well manoeuvred. And it's Messi. And here's Suarez.
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to admire their commitment to goals.
Substitutions taking place.
Into the last 5 minutes. Ashley Young.
Look, it's a run defence dislike, but the timing has to be spot on.
There will be
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Mikolenko. And time is up. Well, that was tense. Boy, that was tense. The two sides separated by the game's only goal. Messi taking in the accolades, having been named man of the